So to make the base for the rag garland, I used bandanas in white, red, and blue. To get the size strips I want, I am going to divide this bandana into 6 pieces. So I'll keep folding it over. Then I'll cut the ends, just give it a little snip. Make sure you cut everything here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ready to pull. So I just take it and pull it down. I also picked up a white plastic tablecloth and I cut that with a rotary cutter. And I'm using a pair of old jeans that have been cut into strips. So I'll show you how I attach these to my twine. I'm going to take a strip and fold it in half. Then I'm going to set my loop on my twine and reach underneath of the twine to grab the tails. Pull them through and over. Like that. And that way you'll have your knot on top. Over. Go underneath the twine and pull it through. Then we bring it on top. And then I made these tassels with red, white, and blue yarn, as well as the striped baker's twine. And I tied these together with jute. And here's the pattern I came up with. I did red, white, and blue bandana, then some tablecloth, jeans, tasseled jeans, tablecloth, and then repeat. I was wanting to add some light to this project as we'll be using it in the evening too. So I picked up some of these LED tea light candles in the shapes of stars, and I'm going to paint them and attach them to my garland. Picked up these red, white, and blue mums. The only problem is that the blue is a different color than my bandana, and it's going to clash really bad. So I'm going to paint the mum with a darker blue. To make sure you see other of my DIY videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Have a happy and safe 4th of July.